how to fix stuck or pending transaction on Coinbase app. Now sometimes what happens is that if you have got a certain transaction that has been pending for quite amount of time, right? So open up Coinbase and you go to this little statements icon or the transaction icon from the bottom right, where you'll be able to see all of your transaction history and the recent history. Now if you're trying to send crypto but your transaction is stuck in pending, you can just basically try these two things. The first is to wait at least 30 minutes, because blockchain transactions basically they take time to complete, right? Second is check the number of confirmations. So if the number of confirmation is stuck at 0 for an extended period of time, you can simply contact the support team. So to contact the support team, tap on the multiple dots icon and just go to the support option. Right from here you can see get support button here. Once you go to get support, you'll be taken to their help page and you can simply contact them right over here after verifying this CAPTCHA, and once you've done so, you'll be able to gain help with your pending transaction. This way you'll be able to fix stuck or pending transaction on the Coinbase app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.